In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for personal life organization. Trello is a fantastic tool that can help you streamline your life, making sure you're never missing an appointment or forgetting a grocery list. Let's start by heading over to Trello.com. If you don't already have an account, that's the first step, getting signed up and ready to go. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your dashboard. Here you'll find an option to create a new board. Go ahead and click on that. Now, naming your board is important because it sets the tone for what you're planning to achieve. Consider naming it something like Life Organizer or another name that resonates with your personal goals. Next up is structuring your board. This can be customized to fit your lifestyle and needs. You might want to create columns for each day of the week, Monday through Sunday, so you can plan daily tasks. Or maybe you prefer organizing by specific categories like work, personal, and goals. You can be as flexible or as specific as you desire, which is one of Trello's strongest points. Once your layout is ready, you'll start adding cards. Each card can represent a task, idea, note, or reminder. This could range from scheduling a dentist appointment, planning a weekend getaway, writing down your grocery list, or even a card to remind you to meditate for 10 minutes a day. Now let's delve into the details on each card. Click open a card, and you'll see various options to add more information. One useful feature is the checklist. For example, a card titled Grocery Shopping could have a checklist of items you need to buy. This way all the subtasks are neatly organized under one card. Adding a due date is crucial for time-sensitive tasks. Whether it's an upcoming appointment or a project deadline, due dates ensure you stay on top of your schedule. Trello also offers color-coded labels. Use these to categorize tasks. For instance, you might use red for urgent matters, green for health-related tasks, and blue for work-related activities. Furthermore, Trello allows you to attach files directly to cards. This can be handy for keeping everything you need in one place. Think receipts, PDFs, recipes, or any relevant documents you might need quick access to. As you complete tasks, move them to a done list. This is a low-key way to celebrate your accomplishments, keeping your board tidy while providing a visual sense of accomplishment. Seeing tasks move from one column to the done section can be incredibly satisfying, reinforcing your productivity. With these steps, you're now ready to use Trello as a robust tool for managing your personal life. It not only keeps you organized, but also simplifies your daily routine, giving you more control and peace of mind. Happy organizing!